Now, coach of Brownstown, Courtney Headlam, has credited his team for recovering well from a sluggish start to register a 1-0 victory over Gray's Inn in the JFF Championship on Saturday. Sajay Webb scored the all-important goal for Brownstown in the 56th minute from the spot creeping in.
Good game. First half we were a little bit tentative going forward. Second half I think we were able to impose ourselves on them. We were using the width particularly well, and that's where we got our only goal in the game from. Got a good cross in there and people making the box, and we were getting people out wide, catching them 2v1 in the wide areas a lot, and it was effective.
But to the game, I think it's a fairly good game. I think the game I play up to fair enough. I think even, and up to the penalty. I think we get a penalty and don't give in by the referee. And I think the penalty that go against us, where is not a penalty.
Now, in other games, led by a hat-trick from Sheldon Ragbear, JDF had a 6-0 win over Baptiste Alliance. Duncans United defeated Stets Elite 3-1. Medforest fell 2-0 to Progressive. True Juice beat Limehall 1-0, while Falmouth United had a similar 1-0 win over Reno.